Hi, Tom here. In this week's Circle Line Art School video, I'll show you a simple way of drawing an optical illusion using two cubes. First, draw a horizontal line for the top of the first cube on the right of your page. Next, draw two sides of the cube at a slight angle going to the right, but parallel to each other and the same length as the first horizontal line. Now just draw a new horizontal line, and we have a square leaning to the left. Next, draw three diagonal lines from the three left-hand corners of your leaning square. All three diagonal lines need to be parallel to each other and to be shorter than the lines of the original square. They need to each be the same length. Now draw a base horizontal line and a vertical line, and now we should have a cube in 3D. Next, draw an inner square on the top surface of the cube. Just copy the angles of the earlier lines. Now from the new top right-hand corner, draw a diagonal line parallel to the other diagonal lines, and then add a horizontal and vertical line so it looks like we're looking into a solid 3D cube. Next, we can extend the first horizontal line we drew to the left, doubling its length. Now draw another horizontal line of the same length in the middle, and a third horizontal line, again at the same length, at the base. Next, copy the angle of the vertical leaning lines with a new line on the left, and then copy the other angle for the top line. Now we have two cubes that share the same side in the middle. That's how this simple optical illusion works, by two cubes sharing a middle side. Now give the new cube a thickness, same as before, but this time on the front of the cube, not on the top of the cube. Now draw a diagonal from the bottom left corner, same angle as the middle diagonals in this drawing, and then add two short lines to make the far inner wall of this cube. Now we could add to this illusion by drawing a person or two inside the cube shape. I will draw a simple person standing at the same angle as the leaning sides of this cube. The person could be looking at the wall. We could draw another person towards the back of the room too, but we can't see the top of this other person, can't see the top of their body. Next, using the same diagonal line as the floor, we could draw two more lines, guidelines, to use to draw a series of frames with simple artworks in each one. So now we have two people in a gallery looking at some art. We could draw some floorboards too, using the same angle as the guidelines for the frames and the edge of the cube. In the next cube, to help the illusion that we're looking at two cubes at the same time, we could draw another person. This time we're looking down at them from a great height. Draw the person the same angle as the inside corner of the cube, make the head big and the feet small. Again, we could add some floorboards for this gallery using the angle that we already have. Now we can draw a piece of art on the wall. I think I'll draw Roy Lichtenstein's Wham painting, a little sketch of it. You could add some shading for some of the walls, and then I think I'll add just a slight cast shadow going at the same angle for each person, for each of the three people in our optical illusion gallery. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a go. Please visit my website circlelineartschool.com to learn more. Thanks for watching and see you next time.